Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another one from the Nadula hair.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
So Nadula hair has a different box if you guys haven't noticed. It's be confident, be bold, be you, okay? I'm coming through with a 24-inch headband wig. They so graciously provided us with 2 caps, okay? We have some headbands in here, which I'm excited about, okay? This is our actual headband wig. So I'm just going to go on ahead and take this out. Okay, so you guys can get a really good look at her. Now, she's 24 inches. This is a body wave headband wig. Look how pretty that color is. Like, really absolutely stunning. And I'm just going to go on ahead and throw her on. She has 3 combs. 2 on the side, 1 at the front. Okay, she has 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever, as well as the Velcro band that gives you the 2 pieces of Velcro just in case you got to tighten her up, okay? I'm really into this. I love headband wigs. It's the season for them. We're just going to go on ahead and throw this on right quick. I have my edge tamer because I did not do my edges yet. I'm just going to brush this down. Like so, like that. And I'm just going to go on through and hit these edges up. You know what I mean? Now, the hair on this unit is really nice, guys. Let me get this together. And I'm using the Ibn edge tamer. Kind of my favorite because I have like 4B hair, not quite 4C. And so that means it takes a lot. And it can't be like a lot of water because it'll curl up, you know? My edges, that is. And we want to make sure that they stay there. I usually also always go in with a little bit like a spray just to make sure it actually stays. So just doing a little bit that. And if you guys experience like that white stuff when you're doing your edges and everything, that's because you use too much product. So you need to make sure you're brushing it all the way out, and that helps to make sure it lays as well. And usually I would lay my edges with no makeup on, but wig faux pas, okay? I'm doing it this way anyway. So I'm going to go on ahead and throw this unit on. Now already, this is really snug, which I like because headband wigs are usually really big on me. I can even go back a little bit more. There. And I'm just going to hook her in the back. And I'll show you guys what I just did. Can you see that? So I like to tuck it under that Velcro band and then put it, there you go. We have a headband wig. Super easy, 3 minutes, and let's do a few styles. All right, my loves, let's get on into this Nadula highlight brown body wave headband wig. So we have her in the color FB30, and the density is 150%. Now, this is really a beautiful unit. I'm going to go on through and just style her different ways because I think one of the greatest things about headband wigs is the ease of headband wigs, right? So this unit at 150% density and 24 inches is currently going for just under $200. Now, Now, I know you all are worried, but don't you fret, okay? This unit is really, really beautiful, and she's super easy. I think that you guys, the headband wig, I know some people are worried about it being a little bit, you know, dated. I really think it's, like, innovative, and like bell bottoms, I'm glad they bought it back, okay? I am really into this unit and the ease of a headband wig. I am not lying to you guys. I wear them all of the time, and I think that, you know, if you are looking for something that is super easy and beginner friendly, a headband wig is the way to go. Now, I did not experience much of any shedding. She did tangle a bit, I'll be honest about that, but I didn't get any shedding at all, really. And I wore her all weekend, okay? I went on a cute little trim and I wore her the entire time, and she acted exactly the way I wanted her to. Right. Okay. So I'm going to shut my Mimi's head mouth so you guys can get into this. I gave you all the deets on her, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, my loves, we are back with our Nadula hair body wave highlight headband wig. Okay, this unit for 24 inches, which is what we have right now, is going for just under $200. Okay, this is a really good investment, and let me tell you guys why. First of all, wigs are a good investment, period. Let's start there. I love a good wig. But headband wigs are for sure one of my favorites because you can just throw her on and go. Who wants the stress of laying a wig when they just got to go out and get some Mammy Tat milk, okay? And you do want to still be cute. And I think that this provides you with an option to be just as fly with half the time, okay? We want to take half the time. So this is 150% density. She is really thick, and I really love that. She didn't tangle much, okay? She didn't shed much. As of yet, she hasn't shed much. But I haven't had any issues with this hair as I was working through her and throwing her up and flipping her to the side and all the way around, okay? I done gave her all the love, sex, and magic. And I really am into this one. But you guys know how I feel about headband wigs. If you see me in the street, you either see me with a big old hat on or a headband wig, okay? Or both. All right? Like, that's just my truth. So, buzz down. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you guys think. She fits snug, which I'm really surprised about because this is a headband wig and they're normally really big. Really big. So I'm very impressed with what Nadula Hair was able to do with this one. I love the color. I'm going to shut my... Oh, I love the color. I love the color. I'm going to shut my Mammy Tat mouth so you guys can go ahead and soak all this up. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye!